The Champion of the Universe Premium Achiever Award is presented to
Rihansh Mehta.
Youngest kid to perform hula hoop rotations while solving most Rubik cubes and spelling most countries' names.
Universal Achievers Book of Record and Future Columns Book of Record certify and honor Rihansh Mehta, born on 18th December 2014 of Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, for creating a world record of performing hula hoop rotations by solving 4 Rubik cubes, 3x3 Rubik's cube, 2x2 Rubik's cube, pyramids, and 2x2 mirror cube, and spelling all the 195 countries' names in 8 minutes 38 seconds on 14th April 2021 in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India.
Azerbaijan, Bahamas, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Barbados.